Kyz Zhibek. Once upon a time, there was a beautiful woman called Kyz Zhibek. She was famous all over the world for both her beauty and her intelligence. Great kings and princes came to ask for her hand in marriage, but Kyz Zhibek decided that she would only marry the man she truly fell in love with. Despite all their efforts and expensive gifts, none of them could capture her heart. Far away across the steppe, there lived a handsome young man called Tolyegen. After hearing the songs of Kyz Zhibek's beauty, he had a strong desire to meet her. When his father, the wealthy Bazarbai, found out about Tolyegen's plan, he was very angry, because Tolyegen's family and Kyz Zhibek's family were great enemies. Besides, it was the tradition in those days that the father chose his son's bride for him. However, Tolyegen was strong-willed and wouldn't listen to his father. The next day, he got on his horse and rode off to find Kyz Zhibek. After riding for days, he arrived at her yurt, where he saw the beautiful Kyz Zhibek, and they fell in love straight away. They promised each other that they would get married, despite the hatred between their families. The wicked Bekezan, who was the leader of Kyz Zhibek's tribe, was furious when he heard the news. He did not want her to marry Tolyegen. "This man is the son of Bazarbai, one of our great enemies. I cannot allow Kyz Zhibek to marry him," he said. Full of hatred, Bekezan made a plan to kill Tolyegen secretly. While the young man was travelling to meet his beloved, Bekezan and his friends leapt out and attacked him. Tolyegen fought bravely, but there were too many of them. After a long fight, the evil Bekezan and his friends finally killed him. The young man's last words as he died were, "Kyz Zhibek." At that very moment, Kyz Zhibek had a terrible dream. In her dream, she was with Tolyegen, but when she reached out to him, he disappeared. She woke up with her heart full of fear and ran quickly to her friends. She told them about her dream, and they comforted her. "Don't worry about it. It's just a silly dream," they said. Then, Bekezan arrived with the news of Tolyegen's death. When he told Kyz Zhibek, she fell to the ground in horror. Her friends tried to calm the young woman, but she wouldn't listen to them. Her awful dream had come true, and her beloved Tolyegen was dead. The heartbroken Kyz Zhibek left her yurt and walked alone across the steppe until she came to a high cliff. Unable to imagine living without Tolyegen, the young woman jumped off the cliff to her death.